Welcome to Cash Discounting. I'm going to show you how to use the Sale app with the Cash Discounting. First of all, you can use the Sale app with Cash Discounting if you have the Payments Plus plan, which is one of the cheaper plans with Clover, or with Register Lite. Either one, you can use the Sale app. Now, if you use the Sale app with the Payments Plus, then you still want to go ahead and raise your prices right here using this. It won't actually raise the prices because there's no inventory in Payments Plus, but it'll still set the amount you want. Then the second thing is some people need to inverse the Sale app, okay? And that's a checkbox right here. So if you want to inverse the Sale app, make sure you check this box right here. Now the idea of, let me explain what this does, is that in the Sale app, if you add $10 to the Sale app, it's assuming that's the cash price, and we have a button that's going to increase that price to the credit price, let's say of $10.40. If you use this inverse function, then when you enter the price into the Sale app, it's going to assume you're entering the credit price. And when you use our button, it's going to decrease the price, okay? So this is not really needed by most people, but if you do need to inverse the Sale app, that's what this is for right here, okay? You're gonna tap done, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to the Sale app, which is on different devices, it'll look differently, but so let's say you put in $10, okay? So there's $10. See, there's a button that we have, it's called Cash Credit. If you tap it, now see how the price went down? That's because we use the inverse function there, okay? But then you pay it out, like let's say you can pay with cash or charge, and you just pay it out like you would normally, okay? And so that's how you would do it. Now let me go ahead and take off that inverse function because most people do not need that, okay? You tap on Setup, and we're gonna take off the inverse. There you go, okay? So now if we go to the Sale app and you enter $10, for example, okay? I'm gonna enter $10, and when you tap this cash credit button, if it's a cash transaction, you would just hit cash right here and you'd pay it out. If it's a credit transaction, then you'd tap this cash credit. See, now the price is $10.40. Now you can tap the charge button and pay it out, okay? That's all you're doing with the Sale app is you're just tapping cash credit to raise the price to the credit price. Or if you're using that inverse function, you're tapping cash credit and it'll drop the price to the cash price, okay? Either way, that's all you're doing, and that's how you use the Sale app with Cash Discounting.